Hey, Pee-wee. Yeah. Being adventurous for the Pee-wee. She's getting more relaxed these days. Yes, kind of. A little bit more chilled. A bit less skittish. Still got a way to go, but she's definitely getting there. Yeah. That's why I didn't talk much at the beginning, or at all at the beginning there, because she was out in the open, and I thought, well, just, yeah, let her be comfortable with her surroundings. Supposed to go out in the cat run, but you know, we can't. It's shut for a reason. There's things going on out there in the carport / cat run. There's no way I want to let her run around out in the open, outside. Because she's still a bit timid in that way, and to go try and catch her again, I don't think so. Hey? I don't know how she'll do it that quickly again. She was quite happy to be back inside, let's put it that way. Ooh, you get the fly. Yeah, you get the fly. She was quite appreciative of being back inside after, you could tell. A few odd days there. When she made a great escape. See him go away.